What's up, guys? I'm skipping a lot in between, but you know, there's a lot of driving to do. Anyway, we made it to White Sands, and it's 20 bucks to get in, but it was free today for some reason. Also, in the beginning of the day, I realized I left my parking lights on, and my car didn't start at the lake where I slept, which would have been really bad if I slept where no one was. Then I walked up to these guys, and they gave me a jump, and then they gave me a CD because his wife's a singer. Anyway, now we're here, and it was free today, so it worked out. My knee also still hurts. Day 2 on the injury. Iced it for like 2 hours, maybe 3, while driving. Moved it around my knee every 15 minutes, and yeah, it's moderate pain. If I could snowboard tomorrow, probably shouldn't. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really freaking bright, so I have to squint my whole way. I'm also going back to the car, and I think I'm going the right way, because I went off track. Anyway, I got some good shots, I believe. Sony A7R2 with the 18-105 lens. Gotta find a good shot. It's really white over here, so it's really bright for the cameras. But if you work the settings down enough, you could make it work. You can see the photos on my Instagram, Adam_Baron. Peace out. I chose to go barefoot because I read that the sand is really soft and that it's a different kind of sand, so it doesn't stick to your skin, and it doesn't. I'll show you. It's very powdery. See, gone. Easy. But yeah, in the morning it was really cold. It was around like 40 degrees, and the sand, walking on bare sand when it's really cold, feels like walking on its snow. Yeah, so I kind of had a jog to get my feet warm. It's in the middle of a bunch of dunes. We're in the boonies. Yeah, the sand's really hard right now. It's not very soft. You see, like, I'm barely making marks. Some places it's soft, like right here. And it's actually really soft. And look how it doesn't get on my skin. Whee! Watch. No sand on me. Ooh, it's nice here. Thanks to Columbia for sending me some gear before this trip. Go buy the stuff. Thanks to Sony for hooking me up with this body. Replace my other A7 camera. Has the Sony A7R2 has a silent mode, and over here, when it's really quiet, no cars, no planes, no birds, you hear absolutely nothing. Listen. So, with the silent mode, you put the silent mode on, you take a picture, you hear nothing from the camera too, and it's crazy. You ready? I took a picture. Or else it would sound like this. I found my car, finally. It's over there. Nice doggy. Phone call. Oh, not answering my phone. Hello? Not much? What's up? Hey guys. Yeah, so we're driving to Santa Fe now. A lot of open road. A lot. So this is what it looks like. I'm scared I'm gonna get pulled over. I'm debating whether or not to go fly-by drone somewhere. Right here, in the middle. That's a good view. Cool. I'd like to explore these little towns. I wonder if I look sketch just driving around. But I found this cool old fire truck. I wonder if you can even see that. Let's try to fix that. I found like some cool broken buildings. I don't know if I should explore it, but I'm gonna go look at it. It's right here. You see? I feel pretty sketchy. Look how broken it is. That looks cool. Oh, I'm not gonna go. My knee hurts. That looks like a mesh. I just found another bank. It's called Heading to Santa Fe. Here's another knee update. Icing it again while driving. It's been like an hour and a half. I'm not sure if that's still a good idea or not, but I want to snowboard tomorrow. But I'm gonna stop now. Alright guys, just got to Santa Fe. And I'm gonna do a little tray flip test, see if my knee doesn't hurt. I have to go catch a sunset, so I'm gonna come back to the town later and check it out. I think I pulled my hamstring. Oh jeez. Alright, I gotta stretch every time I get out of the car now. No idea where I'm going. Just got to this place called Cross of the Marty's. Marty Air, something. I'm gonna watch the sunset here and fly a drone and take some pictures. So I just got this drone in a trade, and yeah, I just got it. And there's a bunch of drone laws I have to learn that I don't know, because I want to fly them in these cool places, but I guess you're not allowed to. So what the hell? Why is everything got to be lawed up? Anyway, I hope I don't get in trouble for using it here. I have way too much gear. I have this remote, my phone, camera, drone, butterfly. Let's see. There's people behind me.
The home point has been updated. Take off.
Flying this is hard. Alright, I need my focus. Later, guys. the?
Starbucks thing is? Holy shit. I feel like